Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here at Trading Friend. So friends, we have started a new week and let us all hope the week starts well, and also the momentum which we are carrying forward from past many days we have to continue. People, those who have not yet subscribed, this is a channel for all the working professionals where you'll be getting lots of live trading. So these are all about my hedging strategies which I am posting daily, almost every day. I have posted, not even a single day I have missed. I have also explained what is a covered call, what is the kind of hedging I'm doing, and there are lots and lots of other strategies and lots of live trading, everything available. So those who have not yet subscribed, I recommend you to please press the subscribe button. So you can find the subscribe button here. Just press the subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell button, because you'll be getting notifications as soon as I post new videos. And also friends, in case if you have any doubt, you can always WhatsApp. My number is 8095876525. So let us go into today's trade which we did, and the stock which we had taken, that is on Friday evening, was SBI future. So you can see the movement of stock how it is. So if at all you're drawing the trend lines also, you can observe that the stock is reversed from its peak. So we were expecting the stock to continue the momentum downwards. So you can see, if at all you draw the trend channel also, you can see the trend channel is pointing downwards, and it very clearly indicates that the stock is in a downward movement. In the sense, it is bearish. So thereby we will decide to do the covered put. So this is the previous video which we traded in Bajaj Finance and Tata Motors. In case if you have missed, you can just watch my video which is available on the channel. Now let us come to SPIN. I am just trying to put a covered put. That is nothing but selling the future and selling the put option. So I am trying to look at the put option which is almost near. I think 195 would be suitable for us. So I'm just adding 195 options. Or we just have to check if 195 is fine. Or 200 also is fine for us. So we have added 200 put option. Okay. And then now going about the insurance, I am trying to look at least 10% far away insurance. This being the weekend, we have to be very careful. So presently price is around 196. So let me also add 195 and see. We have to also have a look at the premiums as well, because whenever you are taking this insurance, the premium must not eat away the profits. Okay, so 220 I can find almost 81 lakh 90,000 open interest is available. So I think with 200 put option also this will be fine. So I will go with the 220 itself. Let me just reconfirm once again. Yes, 220 is fine. So I'm just adding 220 call option. This is going to be the insurance. So you can see that almost we have 12 rupees premium at 200 put. Okay, so now I'm going to execute the position. Make sure it is a delivery order. And also friends, whenever you're placing option order, please do place limit orders only. Don't do the mistake of placing market order. There will be huge slippages and you will lose the position. But when you are doing a future, you can place the market order, because it is got more liquid than the options. So many were requesting to do the index. We will do it next month. We'll be starting it. So this month, since we have to continue with the options, I'm continuing with the options itself. Okay. So now the insurance part, as you can see, it has not got executed. So we need to do a little bit of tweaking, little bit of adjustments, so that our order gets filled. Yeah. So you can see it is got completed. So all the three legs have been filled now. You can just observe all three orders have been filled. Perfect. Yes. So we just waited overnight, and morning when we got up, this was the situation. So you can see we booked it around 2,400 rupees loss. So around 916 we just closed our position. So as you know, we are doing intraday strangle in the daytime. Okay, straddle or in strangle, but as of now we are starting off with strangle. And initially the stock which I selected was NTPC, and then later I had to cancel it. Reason, because there was no liquid in that. So I'll just fast forward that to you. So I had just taken NTPC, you can see, and then I just closed out of it, because there was no volume. And then later I decided to go with HDFC. So basically I was looking for stock which has less trend. That is why then I came to HDFC. Okay, so in HDFC I have to look again OTM, and I can see around 1800 there is 2 lakhs OTM, and the price also is fine. And at around 2000 I can find, no, it is volume is bit less, but still not a problem. 1980 also should be fine. Okay, we'll just try adding into our watch list and see which will be fine for us. So 1800 HDFC put I have added, and then 2000 call I am adding. Okay, so I can find the price okay to be fine, manageable. It is equidistance considering the price as of now. So I am placing 2 lots this time, and since we cancelled NTPC, I am going ahead with HDFC. NTPC was a good bet. It was not even having any movement. That is why I took NTPC. But then the volume was very low in options, so I could not place the orders. So forget about all of my subscribers also for placing the order. That is why I just closed the position immediately and then took position in HDFC. Okay, so you can see HDFC I have taken the position, 2 orders as of now, 2 lots, 1800 put and 2000 call option. Okay, so today at around 1:57, 2 o'clock we closed the position because market was continuously moving. So if at all you observe this chart in HDFC, you can see it was continuously trending. So people, those who are doing strong will be making big losses, but then we were somehow able to do the rollovers and we were able to maintain our losses. So you can see it was a completely trending market. So that is the reason why we immediately decided to close the position. Almost all the stocks today were trending, so there was no point in waiting till end of the day and trying to collect a few premium. So I just thought 2 o'clock it's high time, let me just close the position, and we closed at 3690 today. Okay, so that was a trade which we had today. Quickly let us update into our Excel. So the night strategy gave us 2400, and then the day strategy gave us 1200. Okay, so what a way to start Monday. If it was a more better figure, it would have been always nice, but not a problem. Market is always there, and this is a position as of now we are having. So it is high time. We are waiting for a big profit in our covered call. It can be anything. We'll just wait patiently, not a problem, because now market is very volatile. It is moving sideways. The trend has almost reduced. It is moving sideways. So let us wait patiently, and as of our day strangle is giving us quite a bit good profit. So let us hope this month it closes well as well. Okay friends, so any other doubts, any confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number, I'm repeating it once again, it's 8095 okay 876525. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day.